One of the problems that most people face with the MetaQuest 3 or MetaQuest 3S is the weight balance and how much uncomfortable it is. The weight is at the front and the headset tend to go down here. So it's unbalanced. And here is one solution, Comfort Mod version 2. So you see here, this is perfectly balanced. I don't have to do anything here, just adjust with the wheel. And it does this part at the front. Here there is something very soft and I can tidy it up like this. It's very comfortable and it's very balanced. So if you see here, once you tidy it up, it stays in position. I can move my head, but it always stays here. And the weight is not here, but it's distributed around the head. And you would think, wow, that's great, right? Well, there is more. In fact, here there is a holder for a power bank. So you can have an external battery here. You just need to insert it. And then you connect the USB-C cable from here to here, which means you can have longer gaming experiences, more than 2 hours. And you don't need to be around the power supply, so you can bring it everywhere. Also outside the house. Now let's explain what is in the box. Every component, some of them are interchangeable, and I will also explain you how to set it up. Let's unbox it. This goes on the top of our head, this on the back, complementary leather and fabric backup. Okay, that's everything that is in the box. One thing to notice is that these ones are interchangeable. In fact, you can change it. You can change this one with this. Pull it out like this and replace it. And this one with this. All right. And you can do the same for this one. Here you can press here to detach and here. Here there are some magnets and you can replace it. Here it goes. Here it is, and you see it can also rotate. If you press here, you can slide and adjust. Same thing here. Here there is a wheel to expand this diameter. Now, how can you detach this from your MetaQuest 3S? Basically, if you notice here, there is a line. So you just carefully do like this and remove it. Same thing here. And you have to remove also the strap here. You always start from this as reference to get the orientation right. Right, so now we have had it mounted, and you can also replace it with this or this. Now we are going to use this battery to recharge the headset. So we open it up. This is an external provider. In the description of this video you can see the Amazon link where you can buy this. And you can place it here. So you connect it here, and not here, but here. Now it should recharge. You can wear it and it will recharge in the meantime. You can also change this. For example, this one over here can be removed and replaced with this. Voila! And also this one can be removed and replaced with this. here it is in a few seconds. You can also exchange this with this over here or this. And you can also use this here. Okay, what about the MetaQuest 3? I highly suggest you to also have this facial interface. I already made a video about it, and in the description of this video you will find the link to purchase it. Now here it works pretty much the same, so we can detach this carefully. Now we plug it in. Here it is. So as you can see, it's very comfortable. Here you can tight it up, and here you can slide. But here it is, very comfortable, and you can also use the recharger here. Another advantage for women actually is that I can use my, equipment for the hair, let's say, very easily with this. Doesn't bother me. And instead, when I was using this one, it was bothering me a lot. So a plus for this equipment. Highly recommended. And as you can see, it's pretty easy to exchange everything.